Good day, mates! Aaron Ottobre here. I've just come back from a barefoot run actually, which was heaps and heaps of fun. Longest one I've done so far, just about a kilometre. Doesn't sound like much, but I'm building up. I've only started doing this about a week ago. Anyway, I'm here today because I've got another awesome shoe to review. Can't wait. It's got to be a little pre-review, a little mini one, because it's also an unboxing. I've never actually worn it, so to review it fairly, I'll actually wear it, pop up another little review, but anyway, here they are. This is the Speed Force by Xero Shoes. Let's check them out. Oh yeah, that is sexy. Look at that. Isn't that just a beautiful shoe? Let's check it out, take this stuff out of there. Oh wow. Gotta say, the first thing that strikes me, this is insanely light. Feels like absolutely nothing. It looks like it should weigh a bit more, but then when you feel it, yeah, it just doesn't. If you are familiar with the Hamish and Andy podcast, which I am a big fan, you'll know that Hamish recently purchased a 1 kilogram copper sphere, which was quite mesmerizing because it looks lighter than it is. You look at it, you go, oh yeah, shouldn't weigh that much, pick it up, oh wow, it's quite heavy, mesmerizing. Well, this beautiful shoe here by Xero Shoes is equally mesmerizing, but for the opposite reason. You look at it, you think it should weigh a bit more, you pick it up, oh my god, light as a feather. This is absolutely fantastic. But now let's see how it feels. Put it on now. I'm going to take out this little insole. They come with insoles, they're optional. I like to take them out, a bit more of a barefoot feel. And just going to slide my foot right in there. That's another cool thing about Xero Shoes. They're kind of designed to be worn either barefoot or with socks. Up to you. Up to the user. I like to chuck it in there. Alright, there we go. That's it. Ooh, yeah. Like a glove. Very glad I did alright with choosing the size. Picked the correct size for me. He's awesome. Oh god, it just feels fantastic. It really feels like, that's great. I can really feel the ground through this. It's almost like it's nothing there. It's absolutely beautiful. This is actually the most barefoot shoe that Xero Shoes make. It's got a super thin rubber sole there, which is awesome for me. I love that because I really enjoy the barefoot feel. It's also got the standard Huarache lacing system, I guess. That is standard with all Xero shoes. Brilliant system here. So the laces here at the top connect through, down there, around the heel, back around again, and that just helps to keep your heel in. This shoe, and I believe some of the other performance shoes from Xero Shoes, also have this additional lacing system, which again connects to the top laces, and there's just some threads that go around there and around your foot, which will help to keep your midfoot in place along with your heel, which is, I think, really handy and a really good idea, because then it allows the front of your foot the freedom to move. Your toes can splay out in the wide toe box, and you don't have to worry about your foot sliding forwards or back within the shoe. It's going to be pretty secure. And I guess one of the awesome benefits of this is it's going to allow me to feel the ground almost the same as if I was completely barefoot on it, but affords me the freedom to not have to be scanning so vigilantly on the footpaths for, broken glass and other nasty shit like that. And I can't believe I'm saying this, but based on how it felt just then when I put my foot in there, and it's just, oh god, that's so good. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I might actually start wearing these instead of my moccasins. I think these are going to replace my mockies. Now that's huge for me to say because I absolutely love my moccasins. Anyone who knows me knows that quite well. I've worn moccos to the cinema, to the shops. I don't really care. Wear them anywhere. Here they are. But got to say, in the last week or so since being barefoot, adopting the barefoot lifestyle, these kind of feel a bit weird now, putting my foot in them and having all that yuck cushioning and padding. So I reckon I might honestly, just start wearing these for simple things like putting the bins out, taking out the kitty litter, etc. Now you may be wondering, well, with laces, doesn't that kind of defeat the purpose? You can't slip it on, slip it off. Totally agree, that would defeat the purpose, and I reckon I can solve that problem with lock laces. I have ordered some on eBay, and I might whip up a quick little video to explain about those, but basically we'll turn this into a casual kind of slip-on, slip-off shoe. Yeah. So I might also whip up a quick little review. I'm going to wear these for 7 days, run in them for 7 days and try and increase the distance each day. And we'll report back on how that all went and how it feels. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'm not going to talk about any of the benefits of being barefoot. If you want to know more about that, click the link up there. If you want to get your hands on one of these shoes, just check out the Xero Shoes website. If you're in the States, it's xeroshoes.com. If you're here in Australia, xeros.com.au. xeros.com.au. Links in the description. Thanks for watching, everybody. Ciao!